I'm Ben, and today I will be discussing construction warranty along with other members of Group 6. Here is a formal definition of construction warranty. A warranty for construction that is given by the seller or building contractor of a new house/building. Such warranty states that the building/house is free of structural, electrical, plumbing, and other defects and is fit for the intended purpose. Essentially, construction warranties protect both the client and the contractor during a construction project. Here is what a construction warranty may look like. As you can see, both the homeowner and contractor must sign it, making them both contractually obligated to uphold the agreed upon terms. The two most common agreements are the general conditions for the contract of construction set forth by the American Institute of Architects and the standard agreement and general conditions between owner and constructor set forth by Consensus Docs 200. The two types of construction warranties we will be discussing today are explicit warranties and implied warranties. An explicit warranty is any warranty that has been clearly stated between the contractor and the client. They can be stated in either written or verbally. There are two main kinds of explicit warranties. The first is a general contractor warranty. Essentially, a general contractor states that the contractor is responsible for all repair and replacement costs incurred within a given time frame. This time frame can depend on the project, but the standard length is 1 year. Since the contractor remains liable to cover any further maintenance costs given the time frame, they are encouraged to complete the project up to a reasonable standard to prevent needing to pay for further maintenance. The second kind of explicit warranty is manufacturer's warranty. The warranty protects the client from being given faulty products during construction. If the claim is made during the given time frame, the client is assured coverage for unpredictable damage.
I'm Erin Hayes, and I'm also a member of Group 6. I will be discussing implied warranties. These are warranties that are not explicitly stated verbally or written at any time, but there is an implication that they should be upheld during the construction process. The three main kinds of implied warranties are good workmanship, habitability, and UCC warranties. Good workmanship protects the clients and enforces the contractors to perform in a manner generally considered proficient by those capable of judging such works. This means that the completed project should be completed in a way that shows that the contractor knew what they were doing. This cannot be applied to construction materials, though. The second kind of implied warranty is habitability. This means that any structure built, such as a building, must be livable, and that defects, including leaking roofs, uneven settlement, and malfunctioning septic systems, must be taken care of during the construction process. The third kind of implied warranty are UCC warranties. UCC stands for Uniform Commercial Code, and they state that purchased goods must meet certain minimum standards. Though UCC Commercial Code standards usually only apply to purchased products, they can be applied to construction services in certain cases, such as when the main cost of the service comes from an object like the purchase and installation of a new water heater. UCC warranties can only be used in court cases sometimes, and it very often depends on the court. For example, there have been cases where the installation of a roofing system was brought to court and the court allowed UCC warranties to be applied. In another court, the same kind of roofing system was not allowed to have the UCC warranties applied. I will now be talking about warranty timeframes. The first time frame is statute of limitations. This sets a certain amount of time where the owner is allowed to take legal action against the contractor after the project is complete. It varies via state, and for Indiana, it's expected that it will last for 10 years for contracts. The next warranty timeline is statute of repose. This is the amount of time a contractor is liable for a project. That is, for example, If a worker is injured on a project, he must make a claim against the contractor within a 10-year period for Indiana. The last kind of warranty timeline is right to cure. This prevents owners from filing lawsuits against contractors without first offering them the chance to repair the issue they were filing the claim against. It's only applicable in some states, and for Indiana, a contractor must be notified at least 60 days before the client is allowed to take legal action against them. This gives them a chance to correct any mistake that the claim is being made against.
Hi, my name is Imo, and I'm a third member of Group 6. Warranties can be advantageous to owners and clients in many ways. Warranties allow owners to make claims to manufacturers or subcontractors if general contractor fails to cooperate. This encourages manufacturers and designers to produce high-quality output in order for being claimed by the owner. In addition to that, warranties also make ease of communication and negotiation between different parties. Warranties can also be disadvantageous in many ways. Lack of maintenance or repair fees can lead the responsibility to the owner, causing them a lot of money. It also convinces owners to prioritize warranties over actual design. In addition, abuse of warranties occurs when contractors use them as enticement to sign the contracts. Apart from disadvantages, there are also cases of abuse when it comes to construction warranties. Warranties can give owners a false sense of security. False sense of security could lead owners to neglect ideal monitoring of construction performance. When underperformance is observed at the end of construction period, there is usually a need for owners to make a warranty claim. In addition, owners tend to prioritize warranty characteristics more than that of actual design outputs. Warranties can be a means to persuasion to come into contracts. This presentation is a brief introduction to warranty in the construction world. Thank you for listening to our presentation. For more information, please refer to our citation section.